Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back. And today is a special day. As all of you might have guessed, we have just surpassed 1k subscribers. So, thank you so much. This would not have been possible without you guys, without the love and support of all the followers of the channel. So, guys, as promised, I'm releasing all the source file of the videos of the prototype that I have taught in all of my YouTube videos. I'll be releasing all the source files in today's video. But before we know where the files are, one more small request from my side. So we have hit 1k subscribers, but we also need to hit 4000 watch hours on my channel so that the channel can be monetized. Right now we are at just 1000 watch hours, so it'll be really helpful if you can like and subscribe the channel and spread the word amongst your friends and community. Share the videos that you like of my channel, so that will help the channel grow even faster. And yeah, without further ado, let's see where are the source file and how can you access them. So guys, this is the source file. This is how the source file look like. This is the banner which says interaction file giveaway, and it has all the 14 interactive prototypes that I've built so far on the channel. I have also some introduction here which tells me if somebody else is downloading, you will get to know about this. This file is hosted on Figma community channel. I'll be giving the link for that in the description. On the left hand side of the panel, you will see all the pages, and it contains all the interaction that I have built so far. So for example, this e-commerce app that I have built, the bottom navigation, the Google Maps, the liquid swipe interaction, everything is there, and the corresponding video for that is also available in the description itself. You can just hit the here icon and then you can go to that link and it'll open the video, so you can understand what is being taught and what is the source file is all about. So all the 14 interaction that I've built so far is everything available in this file, and this file is available on the Figma community tab. I'm gonna link it below, and you can just go and clone it and start using it as usual. And yeah, that's I think it for everything. This is my 1k giveaway for you guys as a small token of gesture for being on the platform. And one more thing guys, as I told you, the channel is not monetized. If you want to support me in any way, you can buy me a coffee. I'll link buy me a coffee link in the screen, and you can go there and you can buy me as many as coffee if you want. It will help the channel and it'll help me to produce more free content going forward. So that's it guys, that's all about it. Here's your file and enjoy. Let me know if you face any problems, and do share, subscribe and like. Okay, and I'll see you in my next video really soon. So take care. Bye bye.